I'm Flo Henderson. Dr. Lee and I are good friends. He's well known in the community, and I also know him personally. I have consulted with Dr. Lee a couple of times, and on all occasions he has made me feel really comfortable, and I recognize that we're friends, but also there was a level of professionality that I was thankful for, and kind of really boxed us into a more clinical space. I felt like he was capable and listened to what I needed, didn't push anything on me or add any additional services or make me feel inadequate in any way. And so it was really, it was great. His staff is timely and friendly and professional. They're also thorough. But yeah, so they're great. I come in for hormone therapy, and it has changed my life in a very tangible way. Before treatments, I was really sleepy and needing, like falling asleep in the car when I was driving, needing to take a nap anytime I would slow down. And since the hormone therapy, I can tell towards the end of it that I need it again because I'm starting to get sleepy. But really, I have an energy level that sustains me throughout the day. I would feel really comfortable recommending Dr. Lee to friends and to strangers. His practice is professional and all-encompassing. Yeah, so it really has been great for me.